Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lalu Ahmad Yudhistira and my name is C1G02510111. So I'm going to present this PowerPoint here, and the title is Environmental Agricultural Pollution, Understanding the Impact and Seeking Sustainable Solutions. So let's get started. So the first slide is introduction. So what is agricultural pollution? So pollution resulting from the use of chemicals, waste, and unsustainable practices in farming, a major non-point source of pollution globally, affecting air, water, and soil. So why is it important? So it threatens biodiversity and ecosystem health, impact human health, as example contaminated drinking water, jeopardizes long-term food security. Okay, so key sources of pollution. The first one is chemicals. Okay, the first one is pesticides and herbicides. So this is chemicals used to control pests and weeds. So the impact of this chemical is contamination of water bodies via runoff or eutrophication. And, and the second one is bioaccumulation in the food chain, as example DDT residue. And the second one, fertilizers, nitrogen and phosphorus. So this is a chemical used to enhance crop yield. So the impact of the chemical is excess nutrient lead to eutrophication in rivers and ocean, causing dead zones. So key sources of pollution. The second one is waste and emission. And the first one is animal waste or manure. So the problem is large-scale concentrated animal feeding operation or CAFOS. So the impact of this is the first one is pathogens, that is bacteria, viruses contaminated soil and water, release ammonia and nitrates. Second one is greenhouse gas or GHG emissions. So the source is nitrous oxide or N2O from fertilizer uses. Second one, methane, CH4 from livestock, enteric fermentation. So the impact of this greenhouse is significant contributors to global warming and climate change. So the impact on water resources. So surface water contamination, eutrophication, algal blooms deplete oxygen, killing aquatic life. Pesticide residues threaten fish and wildlife. The second one, groundwater contamination, nitrate leaching from excess fertilizer, high nitrate level in drinking water are linked to health issues, especially in infants or blue baby syndrome. So impact on soil and air quality. So the first one, soil degradation, loss of topsoil due to erosion, often caused by conventional tillage. Second one, decreased soil fertility and beneficial microbial population due to chemical overuse. The second one is air pollution, that is particulate matter from tilling and burning agricultural waste, ammonia from livestock facilities cause acid rain and haze. Sustainable solution, mitigation strategies. First one is precision agriculture, that is using technology such as GPS or sensor to apply the exact amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides needed. And the second one is reduce wastage and runoff. The second one, integrated pest management or IPM, focuses on prevention and non-chemical controls. As example, biological control resistant crops. Minimize reliance on broad-spectrum pesticides. So, sustainable solution, regenerative practices. And the third one is conservation tillage or non-till farming. That is minimize soil disturbance, reducing erosion, and increasing carbon sequestration. The fourth one is crop rotation and cover crops. That is enhance soil health, control pests naturally, and reduces the need for synthetic fertilizer. So the fifth one is better manure management. that is treating animal waste as a simple anaerobic digestion to capture methane and use treated waste as fertilizer. So the conclusion is agricultural pollution is a complex, far-reaching issues requiring a shift from conventional output-driven farming to ecological sustainable practices. Investment in research, supportive government policies, and consumer choice are essential. Supports local, sustainable resources and organic produce to drive demand for environmental friendly agriculture. Okay, so that's it from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.